So for example number 3, and I think we've already covered this in our physics class, but we said that if you take a section of a circle, which is like a slice of pizza, right? This length from here to here we call the arc length, S. This is technically the radius of the circle, and then we have the angle. Now, who remembers the relationship between the three? And does anybody remember the mnemonic device Mr. Adams told you that you could use to help you remember the relationship, standing room only? So what that means is that the arc length, S, is equal to the radius times the measure theta. That's a mathematical relationship between all of those. But remember that theta must be in what? Radians. This formula only works if that's in radians. Okay? Degrees won't work. So, they said find the perimeter of a 60-degree slice of pizza with a 7-inch radius. So, this is example 3, the real problem. Example number 3 says that you have a 7-inch radius of the pizza. So this pizza has a 7-inch radius, which means it's a 14-inch pizza. So you have this lovely, wait, let's be a little better about that. We have this lovely, lovely pizza. 14 inches, which means that the radius is equal to 7 inches. Well, what they want to do is they want to take a slice of this pizza such that theta is equal to 60 degrees. And they said, Mr. Adams, can you calculate the perimeter of the pizza? Well, if I take that section out, if I take that sector out, I'm going to have a slice that kind of looks like this. Where this is 7 inches, and this is 7 inches, and this is the arc length. And theta is 60 degrees. So now in order to do that, I need to figure out what the arc length is. And what is the arc length? Well, we said that the arc length was the radius times theta, but theta has to be in radians. What's 60 degrees in radians? Well, we could convert that, we could calculate that, right? So if I come over here and I say 60 degrees,
Pi over 3.
Yeah, it's pi over 3, but let's go through the process. Right? Is equal to pi radians. Right? And well, you're going to end up with 60 over 180, which reduces down to 1/3, right? And the degrees cancel, so it really is pi over 3. This is pi over 3. Remember, it's the radius times theta. Pi over 3 is just theta. What do I put in here? 7, right? Because it's the radius, which is 7. So, really, I'm still going to have the same thing. It's 7 plus 7 plus 7 times pi divided by 3. There we go, 21.3. That's a better answer. 21.3 inches. Does that make sense?